64% of organizations globally have now transitioned to a permanent hybrid operating model. In contrast, fully in-office setups have declined to just 17% of the workforce. This shift has created the coffee badging phenomenon, where 43% of hybrid employees swipe their IDs to establish a physical presence, then immediately leave to complete their tasks elsewhere. It is a behavior born from a trust deficit. When managers equate presence with productivity, it creates a sense of digital surveillance that leaves 57% of hybrid workers feeling disconnected from their coworkers. The traditional physical office is no longer the primary site of labor, yet many organizations are still struggling to build the digital infrastructure necessary to support this distributed reality. That lack of connection is a leading indicator of turnover. When workers feel isolated within their digital tools, they are significantly more likely to quit. This is the churn equation. As digital interaction frequency drops, the churn rate increases in a nearly perfect inverse proportion. Legacy software accelerates this risk. Local file versions and email attachments create digital friction that actively suppresses collaboration. When software makes it difficult to work together, it does more than slow down a project. It provides a structural reason for employees to abandon the organization. Solving the churn equation requires a move away from desktop sync workflows toward a cloud-native architecture. This network map contrasts the two philosophies. Instead of passing a document back and forth between silos, Google Workspace allows every user note to converge on one source of truth simultaneously. By eliminating the sequential cycle of sending, downloading, and re-uploading attachments, teams remove the primary bottleneck in digital work. This web-native approach allows information to move 4 times faster than traditional email-based workflows. This specific architecture simulates the proximity of a conference room, ensuring that even the most distributed teams remain aligned in real time. In this environment, the definition of collaboration is changing. It is no longer just about human synchronization, but the integration of human and AI workflows. We can see this transition in this flowchart. An unstructured email enters the node, where it is scanned by Gemini AI. The system automatically translates the content and routes the data into a structured spreadsheet table. On average, automating these tasks allows every user to reclaim 1.5 hours every week. By offloading manual coordination to AI agents, the workforce is able to focus their time on high-level, strategic problem-solving. The final challenge of hybrid work is security. Organizations must protect sensitive data across thousands of remote locations without resorting to the kind of surveillance that erodes employee trust. Google addresses this through the Beyond Corp framework, which moves security away from traditional network perimeters. This model utilizes context-aware access. System entry is dynamically granted based on 3 factors: a verified user identity, the security posture of the device, and the geographic location of the connection. This allows security to function invisibly. It protects organizational data by monitoring system integrity rather than policing individual behavior. However, even a perfect cloud-native infrastructure will fail if it is deployed into a team culture that lacks the necessary human support. Google's Project Aristotle research identified psychological safety as the single most important factor in team success. The belief that one can take risks or ask questions without fear of negative consequences. To build this culture during a technology shift, Google uses a 4-phase change management framework: excite, enable, expand, and finally, embed. This timeline is critical. Organizations that attempt to bypass these structured phases typically experience a deep productivity crater that can last for several weeks. Lasting digital transformation depends on the long-term adoption of new collaborative habits rather than the simple distribution of software licenses. This return to the human element is what ultimately solves the churn equation. When psychological safety is paired with an AI-powered frictionless infrastructure, the trend of employee isolation is reversed. Google Workspace provides more than just a suite of apps. It creates the shared digital reality that allows the future of work to function.